In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky wash basin. Notice that the wash basin is leaking from the bottom of the wash basin bowl. Let's gather the tools and materials required for this repair. You will require a hacksaw blade, a silicone sealant, and a silicone sealant gun for this job. Now, let's start repairing. First, remove the P-trap from underneath the wash basin. This will detach the waste coupling strainer from the wash basin drain hole and the rubber washer from underneath the basin bowl. Remove the rubber washer from the waste coupling. Unwrap the old Teflon tape from the waste coupling. Use a hacksaw blade if necessary. Apply silicone sealant on the underneath of the rim of the waste coupling. Since we have a rubber washer underneath the rim of the waste coupling, apply silicone sealant on the rubber washer instead. Place the silicone sealant applied waste coupling into the drain hole and fix it. Now, apply the silicone sealant on the rubber washer that goes onto the bottom of the waste coupling from underneath the wash basin. Next, place the silicone sealant applied rubber washer in its appropriate spot. Clean the waste coupling of the silicone sealant with the help of a rag. Now, wrap Teflon tape on the male threads of the waste coupling that is seen underneath the wash basin. Then, attach the inlet end of the P-trap to the male threads of the waste coupling. And the outlet end of the P-trap to the drainage pipe line. Finally, open the pillar tap and check for leaks. As we can see, it is not leaking anymore. We have successfully repaired a leaky wash basin.